Behold the awesomeness of the all shiplap kitchen in the Mid-Town Farmhouse. It's done and it's about to go on the market, and this kitchen is gonna knock your socks off. It's too tight. Have I mentioned that this totally custom kitchen is all shiplap? Oh yeah, all except the original wall, original wood that we uncovered. It had been covered. Who'd have thunk? Look at this beautiful custom range hood. Oh my God, you guys are gonna love the Mid-Town Farmhouse. The island in the Mid-Town Farmhouse kitchen. Reclaimed wood. It's reclaimed. It was claimed somewhere else. Repurposed. It was originally purposed somewhere else. It's got a new purpose. And it's awesome. Steve Dutton, Swan Properties. You can't buy this at Home Depot, people. You can only find it in our Mid-Town Farmhouse. Well, maybe you could find it elsewhere, but not at Home Depot, okay? The Queen and her domain. This is the Queen's kitchen.
Jenny's. You should see the Queen's kitchen.
Oh, yeah, no, the Queen's kitchen probably isn't even as nice as the Mid-Town Farmhouse. But it's always a good day when Jenny's here, because that means like we are staging, cleaning, designing, and it's almost done and for sale.
Game on. Woohoo! Locked. My trailer's locked. Side door, everything.
Will you look at that beam? That beam was the Queen's idea, and it's the bomb.
Stop being the Queen.
Oh, you're not the Queen?
I'm the boss.
The boss. Queen boss?
Bitch boss.
Oh, easy now. This was supposed to be for public consumption.
Yeah. Consume me. Let's go.
Easy now.